Thinking of buying a new car in 2025? You might want to hit the brakes, because not every brand is living up to the hype. Some are plagued with reliability issues, costly repairs, or tech that just doesn't work right. But others? They're proving to be smart, dependable buys that drivers genuinely love, and Consumer Reports backs them up. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 worst car brands to avoid and the 3 best ones you can buy with confidence. Let's get into it and make sure you don't regret your next purchase. Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost. The Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost aimed to blend the utility of a full-size pickup with hybrid efficiency. However, it has faced significant reliability issues in 2025. While the hybrid system offers impressive torque and towing capacity, many owners report problems with the transmission, drive system, and hybrid battery. These issues have led to a concerning reliability score of just 7 out of 100 from Consumer Reports. The Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost maintains the rugged and bold design characteristic of Ford trucks. However, some users have noted inconsistencies in build quality, including misaligned panels and subpar paint finishes. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comes equipped with modern tech features. Yet, electronic glitches and malfunctions in the infotainment system have been common complaints among owners. Despite its innovative approach, the Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost's numerous mechanical and electrical issues overshadow its benefits, making it a less desirable choice in 2025. If a hybrid pickup isn't meeting expectations, let's see how a luxury electric truck fares in terms of reliability. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T, an all-electric luxury pickup, has garnered attention for its off-road capabilities and sleek design. However, its reliability has been a significant concern in 2025. Equipped with powerful electric motors, the R1T offers impressive acceleration and off-road prowess. Yet, owners have reported issues with the EV battery, charging system, and climate control, resulting in a reliability score of 20 out of 100. The R1T boasts a modern and adventurous design, but some users have experienced problems with body hardware and paint quality. Inside, the R1T features a minimalist, tech-forward cabin. Nonetheless, glitches in in-car electronics and infotainment systems have been frequent and frustrating issues. While the R1T pushes the envelope in electric vehicle innovation, its reliability concerns make it a risky investment for potential buyers. Moving from electric pickups, let's examine how a popular hybrid SUV is performing in terms of dependability. Ford Escape Hybrid. The Ford Escape Hybrid aims to offer fuel efficiency in a compact SUV package. However, 2025 has seen a decline in its reliability. The hybrid system provides decent fuel economy, but issues with the hybrid battery, engine electrical systems, and brakes have been prevalent, contributing to a low reliability score of 21 out of 100. The Escape Hybrid features a sleek and modern design, though some owners have reported problems with exterior trim and paint durability. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and offers user-friendly controls, but malfunctions in in-car electronics and infotainment systems have become a common complaint. Despite its appealing design and fuel efficiency, the Escape Hybrid's mechanical and electrical issues make it a less reliable choice in its segment. From compact SUVs, let's turn our attention to a luxury sedan that has faced its own set of challenges in 2025. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class has long been associated with luxury and performance. However, the 2025 model has experienced a dip in both reliability and owner satisfaction. While the C-Class offers a smooth ride and powerful engine options, issues with the engine, fuel system, and electrical accessories have been reported, leading to a reliability score of 19 out of 100. The vehicle maintains its elegant and sophisticated exterior design, yet some owners have experienced problems with paint quality and exterior trim. Inside, the C-Class boasts a luxurious cabin filled with high-quality materials and advanced technology. However, complications with in-car electronics and infotainment systems have diminished the overall user experience. Despite its premium branding, The C-Class's reliability issues and lower owner satisfaction scores make it a less compelling option in the luxury sedan market. Having explored some of the less reliable vehicles of 2025, are you ready to discover the top 3 car brands that are delivering exceptional reliability this year? Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry continues to be one of the most trusted sedans on the market. For 2025, it evolves with refined performance and upgraded tech. It's the go-to car for anyone seeking long-term value and peace of mind. The Camry offers options ranging from a smooth 4-cylinder to a punchy V6, plus a hybrid for maximum fuel savings. Balanced suspension and precise steering make for a composed and comfortable drive, while excellent fuel economy across all trims makes it ideal for daily commuting. Sleek lines, a bold new grille, and updated LED lighting give the 2025 Camry a sportier, more modern look. Aerodynamic enhancements boost efficiency without sacrificing style. The Camry boasts a refined exterior with sleek LED headlights and a sculpted body that combines sportiness with everyday elegance. Inside, the Camry impresses with soft touch materials, a driver-focused layout, and an available 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Ample legroom, top-tier safety features, and available leather seats round out a cabin that's both comfortable and intuitive. The Camry remains unmatched for build quality, resale value, and long-term dependability. It's the kind of car you buy and forget about because it just works. If you're looking for a bit more luxury and tech, but still want bulletproof reliability, the next pick might be just what you're after. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 is the benchmark for reliable luxury SUVs. In 2025, it elevates its game with a sleeker design, improved ride quality, and new hybrid options. A silky V6 delivers smooth power and a quiet ride, while hybrid trims provide excellent fuel economy without sacrificing comfort. It may not be the fastest, but it offers poised, confident driving dynamics. The RX's redesign brings a bolder front fascia, reshaped LED lights, and a sculpted body that oozes class without being over the top. Expect plush materials, a roomy layout, and a refined infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Outstanding noise insulation and exceptional seat comfort make long drives feel effortless. The RX nails the balance between luxury, tech, and Toyota-grade reliability. Whether you're hauling kids or cruising solo, this SUV consistently delivers. But what if you want something a little more athletic, stylish, and European without giving up reliability? You'll want to see this next pick. BMW X3. Yes, BMW. The 2025 X3 has made a real comeback in dependability, earning its spot as a top luxury compact SUV that's fun to drive and now, surprisingly, reliable too. You get BMW's signature handling, sharp steering, brisk acceleration, and a composed suspension. From the efficient 4-cylinder to the potent M40i, the X3 offers powertrains to suit a variety of drivers. Muscular styling, the signature kidney grille, and a sporty stance give the X3 road presence. LED lighting and clean lines add to its upscale yet athletic vibe. The cabin is clean, intuitive, and driver-centric, featuring crisp digital displays, tactile controls, and premium materials. Despite being a compact SUV, it offers impressive passenger space and cargo flexibility. The 2025 X3 finally matches BMW's performance legacy with improved reliability. It's a great choice for those who want German luxury without second-guessing dependability. Consumer Reports emphasizes that consistent brand performance and owner feedback are key indicators of a vehicle's long-term reliability. For 2025 to 26, brands like Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, and Honda continue to lead the pack. Vehicles like the Ford F-150 Hybrid and Rivian R1T have dropped significantly due to drivetrain failures, electronic glitches, and other manufacturing problems. In contrast, trusted models like the Camry and RX 350 continue to excel thanks to proven engineering, smart design, and unmatched consistency. So there you have it, 4 vehicles to avoid and 3 you can confidently count on in 2025. Before you buy, don't just go by the badge, go by the data. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for real-world car reviews. Drop your questions or personal car stories in the comments. We read every one. Until next time, safe driving and smart buying. See you in the next video.